Super Bowl weekend is incomplete without chicken wings. Let's see how to make these delicious Sriracha chicken wings.
Hello everyone. The things we need are soy sauce 1 tablespoon, sriracha sauce 1 tablespoon, chicken wings 10. I have cleaned and washed them, but I left the skin on it. If you don't like the skin, you can remove it, but believe me, with the skin the wings are better because the skin keep the meat moist from inside. In preheated oil, I will deep fry them. Now cover the lid and let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes, then I will turn the side. After 4 minutes, I will turn the side. And I will let them cook for next almost 8 to 10 minutes until they are golden brown. Cover the lid again. After approximately 10 minutes, the wings are ready. I will take them out in my bowl. Now I will add soy sauce and sriracha. Cover the lid and shake them. After shaking them, let them rest for 2 to 3 minutes, then we will serve it. After 3 minutes, open the lid. Your wings are ready to serve.